Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki Nohprah, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Ki khynnah pule jong ki skul but college badan hapoh West Jaiñtia Hills District ki bala pynïasoh kum ki Scouts and Guides, Rovers-Rangers, naduh tarik haduh tarik Nohprah, ki ïashimbynta hak 7th winter camp and youth leadership training bala pynlong hak Shnong Mukhla hapoh jingpeit jingpynïaid ke Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaiñtia Hills. Yakni 7th winter camp and youth leadership training lawan pyrda dak Syiem District Chief Commissioner and District School Education Officer West Jaiñtia Hills kumka kongsan ryngkat ke President MBS&G West Jaiñtia Hills kumka sembut kongsan batu Adiam U Bthuh District Secretary MBS&G West Jaiñtia Hills Kadbao W Lingdo State Secretary MBS&G State Headquarter Shillong haka khatway tarik Nohprah lawan penyedon benta kumu kongsan haka Grand Campfire. Hakisan sengi jongkani ke 7th winter camp and youth leadership training ki khynnah Scouts and Guides, Rovers and Rangers kilayo shibun ki jinghikai but jingpeit shpangka Scouts Guides movement ki pekenthop ekor kom te telai knotting and lashing rukom shna yiki jaka bu tar gadgets habadan haki camping, first aid tracking, whistle signal, estimation, compass and mapping but ruki benta payday baka youth leadership.
Kami hawas dang ya kawiga yo will lashing te kuti diagonal lashing. Okay. Yo pedam kami hete. Mares dang pi kibi ki.
Wrong, right? Now this one number 2. Now that means scatter. Now you can go anywhere you want. Go, get. You understand now? Yes. So I'll be teaching. Now you write first.
Bro.
You ready now? Yes. Okay, now I'll mix them. I'll not tell you, okay? First, I'll tell you this one. It sounds that way. Then I'll jump, but you have to tell me the answer. All clear? Yeah. Number 1, listen first. Long blast. You heard that? That means you have to listen. Before every whistle, I will blow first this one so that you will listen. This is leaders come here. Ready, signal. Be ready, policemen are coming. You got it? Ask you where. You will stand wherever there. That's number 1. Just write ask you where. Ask you where. Just for you to remember.
Alhamdulillah chiki mandir leni ki mosque tak sofi lagi. Okay? And then you can do it
Again. Okay. Now you got this number 1? Listen. You tell me. Now I'll twist. I'll mix how much you learn, okay?
Yang sar.
Yes, tunai. Mundur. Sar.
Abang. Em lang wow we. That you.